All right, welcome to Unit 1, the learning outcome. I can use the distributive property and combining like terms. All right, so first let's make sure that we define like terms. They are terms that contain the same variable raised to the same power. For example, like 7t and negative 2t. Or 5 and 12. So those are just whole numbers, 5 and 12. They have no variables, so they're like terms. Or 3x squared and negative x squared. Okay, so part of your assignment will be to combine like terms. We're going to look at a quick example if you were asked to combine like terms. So let's say it was just to simplify. And we had 13 plus 5x minus 9. So you need to find the like terms. Okay, so there's nothing else with an x. These numbers are like terms. Okay, so I'm circling the like terms or boxing them. Notice I include the negative there. Okay, so when I combine those, I get, so 13 minus 9 is 4 plus 5x. Usually the variable goes first, so we'd have 5x plus 4, but it means the same thing. If you need to, pause, write down anything, okay, re-watch if you have questions. I'm moving on to one other part, the distributive property. So the distributive property is something that I hope you've seen before, but usually it's written as something on the outside of parentheses. We know that something on the outside of parentheses means to multiply. The order of operations would tell us to do what's in the parentheses first, but we can't add 3x and 4. They're not like terms. So instead, we are going to distribute and multiply 7 times both things in that parentheses. So it's like 7 times 3x plus 7 times 4. You don't have to write that out every time. I'm just showing it to you. So 7 times 3x is 21x plus 7 times 4 is 28. Those are not like terms, so you are done. Okay, one more quick one. Let's say we have negative 2 times 14 minus y. So again, we're going to distribute, which means to multiply. So if you need to write it out, do negative 2 times 14. Okay, now check it out. There's a negative sign there. So you could write this as plus negative 2 times negative y, or you could write it as minus 2 times negative y. Okay, either way, recognizing a negative times a negative is going to be positive. Okay, so negative 2 times 14 is negative 28. And negative 2 times negative y is going to be plus 2y. Okay, I don't have a problem for you to do. Tonight, what I would like to see on your notes is a quick note from you of things that are familiar. So what have you seen before in this? What's new to you? Do you have any questions? You don't have to answer all that, but if you don't want to answer those, then just a summary of important parts. Okay, you could write a summary or a question or any new learnings or old learnings. Like, I know all of this. This is too easy for me. Okay, so one of those things at the bottom of your notes. Thanks, have a great night.